Hi, I am S. Rupasri. Today we are going to learn grammar phrasal verbs. Grammar phrasal verbs. First, phrases. Phrases means a group of words that makes some sense but not complete sense is called phrase. Depending upon its function, in a sentence phrases are divided into various types. Example: my father is a man with generous nature. This table is made of wood. Like that. Next, phrasal verbs. First, we learn about a phrase as second, phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is basically a main verb with a preposition or an adverb. That means phrasal verb means that is a main verb with 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 a preposition or adverb or an adverb. Example: keep on, give up, find out, put on, break down, look for, turn back, put off, bring forth, look down, take off, put up with. Like that. That keep on. Keep is a verb, on is a preposition. That is called a phrasal verbs. Like that only the examples was. Next, we can see the phrasal verbs. First phrasal verbs is put on. Put is the verb, on is the preposition. Put on means wear, meaning wear. Children put on new attire on their birthday. Like that. Second one, put off, postpone. It is not good to put off everything. Third one, put up with, tolerate. We all put up with the inconvenience caused by coronavirus. Next, fourth one, give up means abandon. We must give up all bad habits. We can write any other examples of our own. Fifth one, look after, take care of. Parents look after their children. Parents will take care of their children. Look for, search. We look for dictionary to know the meaning for difficult words. Look for means search. Search பண்ணுறது. எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து டிக்ஷனரியில் நமக்கு டிஃபிகல்ட்டான வேர்ட்ஸுக்கு மீனிங் சர்ச் பண்ணுறோம். That is called look for. You can write any other example of our own. Seventh one, look into. Look into means examine. The CBI looks into the details of the criminals. CBI வந்து கிரிமினல்ஸை பற்றி டீட்டெயில்ஸ்லாம் வந்து இது பண்ணுவாங்க. எய்த்து, லுக் ஃபார்வர்ட், eagerly wait. Eagerly wait. The youngsters look forward to know the result of IPL cricket match. Ninth one, find out, discover. We have to find out solution to every problem. Tenth one, turn back means return. We already know turn back means return. Students should never forget to turn back their library books. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லோரும் லைப்ரரி புக்ஸில் இருந்து புக்கை எடுத்து படிச்சுட்டு திரும்ப டேர்ன் பேக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மறக்கக்கூடாது. 11th ஒன், ஸ்வீப் அவுட், எராடிகேட். We need to sweep out cruelty completely. 12th one, break down. Break down means stop working. Break down ஆயிடுச்சு, stop working. The engine break down for some time. இன்ஜின் வந்து பிரேக் டவுன் ஆகிடுச்சு, அது வந்து ஒர்க்கை வந்து ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுச்சு. 13 ஒன் வந்து டேக் ஆஃப், லீவ் பண்ணிடலாம். The flight takes off from the airport sharply at 5 am. ஏர்போர்ட்லேருந்து கரெக்டாக ஷார்ப்பாக 5 am லீவ் ஆகிடுது, அங்கேருந்து கிளம்பிடுது. 14th one, கீப் ஆன், கண்டினியூ. கீப் ஆன் மீன்ஸ் கீப் ஆன் பண்ணுங்கன்றது தான் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்கள். We have to keep on the enrich our language skill. Look, 15th one, look back on, remember. We have to look back on our freedom fighters to show reference. Now some phrasal verbs and its meaning. Last 15 words we have seen the phrasal verbs with meaning and sentences. Now only a phrasal verbs and its meaning only. It is helpful for reading and we reading and can write easily the own sentences. We can understand easily. First one, start out. Start out means begin. Burst into. Burst into means to do something suddenly. சடனாக ஏதாவது பண்ணுறது தான் burst into. Turn down means refuse. Turn down means refuse. Look down means to think low of. கம்மியாக யோசிக்கணும். Beware of, be careful about. அதை பற்றி நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும். Step off means get down. Turn out to be means to prove to be. Get away means to escape from something. இதுலையாவது எஸ்கேப் பண்ண, கெட் அவே அப்படின்றது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து brought up. brought up மீன்ஸ் டேக் கேர் பண்ணுறது, நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிறது, டேக் கேர் பண்ணுறது. 10th one, bring forth, to produce something, ஏதாவது கொடுக்குறது, ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறது. 11th one, call off, கேன்சல் பண்ணுறதா கால் ஆஃப்னு சொல்லுவாங்க phrasal verbல. 12, call in means summon. 13, call for, invite. 14, to bestow on, to give us a gift கொடுக்கறது. லாஸ்ட் ஒன், தி 15th one, look upon, seek as a role model. Thank you.